Hey everyone, today we're gonna learn how to apply sea salt spray. Sea salt spray is a great way to add texture, volume and natural, toasted look to your hair. You need a bottle of sea salt spray, a towel, a blow dryer and a comb or fingers for styling. Start with a clean, freshly washed hair for the best results. Towel dry your hair until it's damp, not soaking wet. Too much water can dilute the salt spray to reduce effectiveness. Before applying, give the bottle a good shake to evenly mix the salt and other ingredients. This ensures to get a consistent texture with every spray. Hold the barrel about 30 centimeters away from your head and spray lightly, starting at the roots and working towards the ends. Use your fingers or a comb to distribute the spray evenly. Don't oversaturate. Start with a little and add more if needed. Use your fingers to scrunch, twist or tousle your hair for a natural look and let your hair air dry for a more relaxed finish, or use a blow dryer with a diffuser for extra volume. For stronger hold, you can apply texturing spray or lightweight hairspray. Once your hair is dry, you can leave it as it is or add finishing product like a light hairspray for extra hold. Avoid touching your hair too much throughout the day to maintain the texture. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.